This is an emergency alert system broadcast. This is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the SCP Foundation and the United States government. A dangerous anomaly has occurred. At approximately 7:32 a.m., a worldwide event has begun that affects all areas exposed to sunlight. The sun has become hostile, causing all exposed organic matter to melt and fuse into grotesque masses of flesh. These entities are extremely dangerous. Do not expose yourself to sunlight under any circumstances. Remain indoors and avoid windows and doors. Use blackout curtains or any available materials to completely block out sunlight. Move to an interior room if necessary. If you are caught outside, seek immediate shelter. Do not attempt to assist others who have been affected by the anomaly. Remain tuned to this station for further updates and instructions. Authorities are working to contain the situation.